It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Can you imagine making $100 a day doing simple tasks like filling out surveys, transcribing audio, uploading your images? It's pretty amazing. The internet is an amazing thing, and it gives so much opportunity to those that are willing to learn a little bit of skill and figure out what the next steps are in order to make some money online. Hey guys, Mark here with 𝗦𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗜𝗔𝗟, and in this video today, I'm going to give you seven websites that are going to show you or give you the opportunity to make at least $100 a day if you learn a simple skill and complete a simple task. Now you can do this over and over and over again as many times as you want. You can even create a side gig out of this and potentially turn it into a full-time online venture if you so choose. So make sure you guys stay tuned till the end. All right, guys, so we're going to dig into the nitty-gritty of this. I'm going to give you 7 websites where you can start making $100 a day almost instantly. So let's jump into this right now without any hesitation. But first, before I forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the bell notification button so you never miss a video. And at the end of this video, if you did find value, please give it a nice like and drop a comment. Let me know what you appreciated out of this video and maybe some ideas on what you want to learn about in the future. Let's go to website number 1. This website is called Scribby. Now, Scribby is a audio transcription website, and you can do a few things here. If you're looking to get your audio transcribed, number 1, if you're a consumer, you can go here and you can upload a video or upload an MP3, and either a person can go ahead and transcribe it for you, or the AI technology engine that they run on the website can transcribe it automatically for you as well. Now, if you want to make a side hustle out of this and you want to become a transcriber yourself, all you have to do when you visit this website is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see where it says join Scribby as a transcriber. 1, 2, and 3. 1, submit your application. 2, take the online test. It's really nothing major. It's a couple questions. It just kind of gives them a better idea about who you are and what your capabilities are, and then earn per audio hour. Now, this is a home-based job, and you can work this as many or as little hours as you want. It's $5 to $25 per audio hour that they pay, depending on the quality that you provide and your rating score or reviews that you do get. I believe they increase your pay as you go, as they'll begin to see that you are trustworthy and you do this job correctly. They're usually short files, 10 minutes or less. There is a monthly bonus of an extra $5 for every 3 hours of work that you do complete. There are no obligations. There's no monthly withhold limits, which means you can withdraw your money anytime, and you get to preview and choose which files that you want to transcribe. So there's simple requirements. You do have to have a good understanding of the English language. You have to have the ability to interpret conversation or conversational English, ability to apply context to the transcription that you're writing. You have to have a verified PayPal account. If you are under the age of 18, just have an adult sign you up or sign up for a PayPal account, and you can use their PayPal account to receive your payments. A headphone or headsets are best to use because it gives you the ability to really hear very clearly. There is a secondary way that you can get paid on this website. It's through their referral or affiliate program. So they will pay you 5% affiliate commission for every transcription that comes through your affiliate link. You also will get a 2.5% commission for every transcriber that you bring on board with them through your affiliate link as well. It's pretty cool. Nothing more to it. Go ahead and sign up for that. It's free to sign up. And for those of you who have the time and the patience to transcribe somebody else's audio or video, this may actually turn out to be a fairly simple and effective and easy way to earn an extra $100 per day. Let's go to website number 2. So this website is called Text Broker. Now, this is a website that people go to in order to get content for their blogs or in order to get copy written up for their article or their press release or their website. website. So on this website, you would sign up as a copywriter, and people would pay you for simple tasks such as basic articles, in-depth articles, which are a little longer, and or foreign language articles. If you can translate into another language, there's extra bonuses. So for this website, you do have to be 18 years or older. So it looks like it would be a pretty good gig for a college-age student and up. You do have to go ahead and fill out a short application form, and you do have to give some idea of your writing. So they're going to ask you to write a small article, which then goes through a review process so they know you actually know what you're doing. Now here's a workaround for people that may want to start out doing business on TextBroker, but they maybe don't want to spend all their time writing these articles. Once you go ahead and apply and you get your account approved, I've heard a few people doing this. They actually go to Fiverr, or they'll go to Upwork, or they'll go to freelancer.com, and they'll have somebody write an article for them. Then they'll take that article and upload it onto this website. Now you have to be careful you don't get charged too much for the other freelancer writing the article, so you still make enough money when they pay you through TextBroker. Fiverr is a good website to use because you can probably get articles written up for as little as $5. You will have to search through Fiverr and make sure you do have a competent and trustworthy person actually writing your articles, but if you find the right person, this could work out very well. You get an order from TextBroker, you immediately send it or outsource it to your freelancer, they write up the article, you take that, you upload it to TextBroker, and you get paid. It's a win-win for everybody, and you can easily make $100 per day on this website being a copywriter. Let's go ahead and check out website number 3. This website is Amazon.com, more specifically Amazon, the Kindle area. Now it's actually pretty easy to make $100 per day, and I know a few entrepreneurs that actually make more than $100 per day uploading simple, get ready for it, children's ebooks. Now you can choose whichever category you'd like, and you can begin writing short ebooks, 100 words or less. You can do more if you choose to do that, but the process is fairly simple and fairly straightforward. As a matter of fact, you can also choose to go to Fiverr, freelancer.com, or Upwork and have somebody write a short ebook for you. You can have the art created for you on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer as well. And then you can go ahead and upload the ebook to Amazon. You can choose a price, whether it's $4.99 all the way up to $10 or $12. Depending on the content that you're providing and the value of your ebook, people will pay between $2 to $10 per ebook. Now, a good friend of mine actually started uploading children's ebooks. You can scroll down the left side of the page. You can go ahead and click on children's ebooks, and you can choose an age or category. Let's just choose 6 to 8 years old. Now, the cool thing about this is in the day and age we're in right now, because of the pandemic and all the stuff happening, school is actually done from home in the majority of states and a lot of areas around the world. So people are doing a lot of stuff digitally. They don't want to buy the books. They don't want to touch it. They don't want to have extra things that could potentially get them infected. So people are choosing to do a lot of things online. They're choosing to download ebooks and download their educational resources from websites. I mean, we're almost in a cashless society where nobody even wants to take cash anymore. Everybody's using the credit card. Now, I can see a day coming that we may all just use cryptocurrency. If you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast like I am, go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know. Back to the ebooks. We have ebooks here ranging from $5.69 to $2.99, $7.99, all the way to $9.99, 10 bucks. Now let's look at this simple version right here. It's awesome jokes that every 6-year-old kid needs to know. I mean, there can't be much to this, guys. You spend an hour or two writing out the best jokes that you found on the internet, put a couple pictures in there, or get somebody on Fiverr to come up with a picture catalog for you, or to decorate the entire book, get a cover built for it, and voila, upload it to the Kindle website. Now look at this particular ebook, this jokes that every 6-year-old needs to know. Look how simple it is. It's a one-liner with a picture of an animal. I mean, you can do this. There may be 30, 40, 50 pages of this, but when you think about it, there's maybe 2 or 3 jokes on each page. you can come up with 50 jokes or a top 100 jokes in less than an hour. Now, it seems pretty easy. Don't get me wrong, it's definitely going to take a little bit of work. You're going to have to put a little bit of hustle into it. You're going to have to make sure you dedicate the time to actually doing it. Now, contrary to popular belief, there's no golden egg that's going to drop down on your lap from heaven above that's just going to give you $1 million. You're always going to have to put a little skin in the game, and you're always going to have to put a little work into it. So make sure you don't get that twisted. Let's go ahead and check out website number 4. Now, on this website called Snapwire, you get to upload your pictures, and people will go ahead and download them, and you'll get a royalty fee from that. So if you upload enough pictures, and they are high quality pictures, or pictures that people are actually interested in buying, you could easily make $100 per day on this website. So you'd go up to the menu, you'd click on For Creator, you'd click For Creator, or you'd go straight to the Sign Up button, and you can click on the second button, Sell Your Stock Photos and Complete Challenges. So there's 2 ways you can earn money on this website. You can earn one way just by simply uploading your photos, and people will buy them and they'll apply them to different merchandise they use or different projects that they have. The second way is to complete challenges. They host a variety of challenges on this website that people can choose from, and if you win, you do get rewards. Here are some of the pictures on the website that were actually recently purchased. So they can be pictures of you taking flowers in your yard even, or your garden. It could be you taking a stroll on the beach and taking a pretty picture of a sunset. It could just be taking pictures of random people on the street walking in front of you. That's a little creepy though. As you can see here, there's lots of different types of pictures that you can upload to this website. People will normally go to this website and download these pictures to use on their website, or to put in their blog articles, or to use on a particular project that they're doing for school maybe. You don't have to be a professional photographer by any means. You just have to take nice clear pictures. Once you have a whole bunch of pictures put together, you can create a portfolio on this website, and people will start noticing you the more you upload to it, and then you'll probably experience people buying some of your pictures out of your portfolio. Let's go ahead and check out website number 6. So this website, you can actually do a couple things. I've used this website for about a year now, and it's actually a marketing system or a marketing platform. In this website, in Drop Funnels, you get to subscribe to a plan or a package, and within that package, they actually host a website for you, and they host unlimited amounts of what's called a sales funnel. Now, sales funnel can be used for a number of different things. Now, you can actually create sales funnels to sell products, or you can sell a service. Or if you're a coach or a speaker, you can sell yourself and advertise your services. On Drop Funnels, you actually get to create unlimited membership areas as well. So if you have a couple different courses or online lesson areas, you can customize or create as many online membership platforms as you'd like. From there, you can go ahead and charge people or charge your members a small monthly fee or a one-time price to buy into your membership area. Now, your website that they host as well it's called an authority site. Now, you can design this website, and it's actually very simple. It's all drag and drop. Even the most basic person with just about the least amount of tech skills that a person could possibly have can create a beautiful customized website on this platform. Cool thing about these websites is they're built on the foundation of WordPress. So you get to include a blog area, it's SEO friendly, and it's super fast. The speed of the loading of each of these pages is actually some of the best in the industry. Now, remember I said there are a couple ways for you to earn money with this website. Number one is you can actually get hired by clients to build out websites and or funnels. They pay you a monthly fee, and then you go ahead and pay Drop Funnels. Now, say you charged a client $75 a month to host their website and to create a maintenance package and to build out their funnels. You would go ahead and pay Drop Funnels, their lowest tier is about $49. You would make the difference. Now, again, you can increase that cost. You can charge a client up to $200, $400, $500, $1,000 a month for a maintenance package or a website package or an SEO package. And all you're paying out of pocket is the subscription to Drop Funnels, which starts at $49. The other way we just talked about a minute ago is actually selling your own services. So you're building your own funnels, you're building your own pages, and you're selling services or you're selling a product through there. The third way you can make money through drop funnels is through their affiliate program. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll go ahead and see the link that says affiliate. Now, when you become affiliate for drop funnels, you can actually share your link for people to sign up for drop funnels, and you get a 30% commission reoccurring every single month when they pay for their drop funnels subscription. Now, imagine if you have 10, 20, 30, 40 people over the course of a year sign up under your link. That's a good amount of money coming into your pocket, completely passive, every single month. Now, with this website, you can definitely make over $100 per day. If you work it and if you put a little effort into it, you can probably make $1,000 today at some point down the road. It's definitely something to keep your eye on and keep up here because you can be very creative with this website drop funnel. Again, you can create websites for clients. You can have SEO packages that they pay for. You can have blogging services. You can also build out sales funnels and membership areas for people as well. This is a good one, guys. There's actually a link down in the description down below, and that's my affiliate link. I will get a small affiliate commission just to be completely transparent, but you will get some of the best service in the industry. And if you do buy drop funnels through my link, send me a message on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll definitely invite you to my group, and I'll help you and do whatever I can to make you succeed. All right, guys, let's go to the seventh and final website where you can make over $100 per day. Now, this is actually a training that I went through, and it teaches you how to do affiliate marketing online. Now, affiliate marketing is when you take somebody else's product or service and you are just the connector between the creator and the customer. You take somebody else's product and you put it in front of somebody that's actually looking for it, and you earn what's called an affiliate commission. Similar to what I talked about on drop funnels, but this is more high ticket. So there's creators out there that will sell courses for $999 or $1,400 or $2,000. You would take that course. Either they give you a landing page or you can create a simple landing page for yourself. Even on drop funnels, you can do that. And you take that product and you put it in front of an audience that's actually looking for that. You can do that in Facebook, in the Facebook groups. You can advertise on Instagram through influencer marketing. You can do a YouTube video about it and promote it that way. The sources of traffic are unlimited. You can even create a TikTok account and start posting short 15-second TikTok videos with a CTA, a call to action at the end of each video, directing people to that offer. Once somebody buys it, cha-ching, you get an affiliate commission. You never have to worry about inventory, returns, customer service. You are just the middleman. So this website right here actually teaches you from A to Z on how to get an affiliate marketing business up and running in as little as 15 days. Now, all of these websites will be listed in the description of this YouTube video, so you can go ahead and check them out. The two websites that I highly recommend are Drop Funnels and Legendary Marketer, which is what we're speaking about right now. So once you go onto this website, you'll watch a short video from a guy named David Sharp. He's a brilliant online marketer, and he's actually created this training, and he's offering this training for a measly $7. Now, you get a 15-day business builder challenge, and it actually gives you dozens and dozens of hours of professional training. They give you everything from how to build a sales page to how to run Facebook advertisements and everything in between. It's a really amazing training. I went through it, and it's actually what taught me how to do affiliate marketing on my own. So I highly recommend it. This is probably my top #1 way that I earn a little extra income every single month, and it's through affiliate marketing, and I learned how to do it through Legendary Marketer. So definitely check out the link below. So guys, that's about it. I hope this video brought you value. If you have any questions about any of these websites or any of these ways to make at least $100 per day online, please let me know in the comments. If you did get value from this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and share this video to your social media platforms. That would mean so much to me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. And remember, stay funky, stay fresh, stay healthy, and stay safe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.